Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 55 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the GARMIN Connect application on our iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let me close it and open it again, like this. Once you open the application, you should see the home page of the app. Now you can tap on the More icon, scroll down, tap on the Garmin devices, and here you should see your Forerunner 55 on the list of devices. Tap on it to select it, and on this page, find the More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on it. And once you open the menu, tap on Remove Device, and tap on Yes. The watch should disappear from the list of devices, so if you open devices, you will not see the watch anymore. Now you can close the app, open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, go to Bluetooth, or rather tap on Bluetooth. Here you should see the Forerunner 55 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget Device, and tap on Forget Device to disconnect it from your iPhone. And now we can close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from an iPhone. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.